Wait. Oh my God, yeah! By the way, no, one of the skills that the MC forgot to mention about me is that I can read minds. So even though you did not respond, you did not recite, you did not raise your hands, I just resort to reading them. This is my way of dealing with embarrassment. Alright? Okay. Next would be degree of belongingness. Diba? Alam niyo Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs? Diba isa yan sa mga nandoon? Alam niyo, isa yan sa mga motivational or inspirational factors sa mga tao. Kahit na hirap kayo sa trabaho, kahit na ayaw niyo ng boss niyo, kahit ang hirap ispelling ng mga customers, basta nakikita niyo nakakasama yung mga kaibigan niyo sa trabaho, no? Parang ang sarap bumalik sa trabaho. Diba? Honestly, that's one of the reasons that keeps you staying at work, correct? Uy, friend, you're the reason that I'm here. Right? Backstabber, ha? And last but not least, eto. Alam niyo sa mga boss, sino yung mga managers dito? Supervisors. Taas ang kamay. Huwag kayo mahiya. Yan, huwag kayo mahiya. Sige, doon sa likod, sino yung mga managers, supervisors? Alam mo, we're talking about excellent customer service over the phone, pero may share ko na lang to. Bakit kaya? Alam mo, I think I did my best. My best wasn't good enough. I motivate them, I inspire them, they're in one of the best companies there is. Ang dami na binigay. Pero bakit? At the end of the line, they still wanna give up. They still look like they don't like me. Alam niyo kung bakit? Minsan, ito na yun, pinapapasok niyo yung sinabi ko kanina. It's not you, it's them. Minsan, chemistry na yan yung tao at ng trabaho, tama? Yan no? Minsan kasi yung demand ng trabaho, nagka-clash doon sa personal preferences at limitations ng tao. Halimbawa, graduate ka ng nurse. Diba? Nagpakahirap ka, 4 na taon. Nagpaka-cum laude ka. And then, mauuwi ka sa trabaho na hindi mo naman inaral. Worse, hindi mo gusto. Huwag ka na magulat kung ikaw ay bisor or manager kapag one time mag-resign yan. It's not you. It's them. Next, ano ba? Yung attributes, meaning yung characteristics ng trabaho. Ay, hindi pa ako marinig? Naglolo ko. I see. Alright, job attributes versus personal working and learning styles. Hindi magkatugma or hindi nagkakasundo yung attributes ng trabaho at yung personal working style mo. Yung learning style mo, at yung communication style mo. And last but not least, the need of the situation versus future goals and aspirations. Yung bang, sino sa inyo dito ang ginagawa ng stopover ang current company? Saving up for the immediate future of, number 1, going abroad. Number 2, looking for greener pastures. Number 3, yet to discover what he or she wants in life. May mga ganun, di ba? Yan. So siguro tinatanong niyo, sir, ano pinalaman nito sa excellent customer service over the phones? At what yan ang sabi ko? Before you become an excellent customer service provider, you have to know yourself. Why? Being a customer service provider over the phone is one of the most tough jobs out there. So if you are not really where you should be, that's really going to be very difficult. At worst, sino makakatanggap ng wrath or blunt na hindi mo pag-angkop or hindi mo pagkatugma sa trabaho mo? Sino? Yung mga customers. Sila ang makakaranas ng katotohanan hindi ka para sa trabaho mo. Hindi mo gusto yung trabaho mo. And you are not really meant to be together. Do you agree? Okay, there you go. So at this point, ready na ba kayong matutunan how to deliver excellent customer service over the phone? If you are, say yes. Yes. Very good. Now, the best way to teach you how to be an excellent customer service provider over the phone is to go through the call flow. From start to finish, from beginning to end. So, let me walk you through the phases of a typical call flow. How to provide ECS. From now on, that stands for excellent customer service. Pwede ba pakisabi yan with feelings? Excellent customer service. Feelings. Alright. Una-una, Let me walk you through now. Let me give you a preview of what those steps or phases are. Opening. Listening. Siyempre, automatic expect yan. Once you greet the call. Probing. Hindi po yan ang English nung nagpakaunay, no? Probing po yun. Probing yan. Probing. Parang investigating. Next. Responding. Siyempre, kapag kinausap ka, you're gonna reply. And then, last but not least, closing. Ako po ba ang pinipicture niyo or yung slide? Pwede ako na rin para, you know. Alright. Let's start with opening. How do we open a call professionally? Kayo, let me get your inputs. Sige nga, can you demonstrate or showcase to me how you open your calls at your respective companies? Sino kaya ang pwede gawin mga model? Ito, model. Ito kaya? Ito, mukha mga participative. Ito mga nandito. Anong Ay! Uy, big time ito, no? Ariva, alam na. Alright. San Miguel, Yamamura, Asia Corporation. Sige. Paano ba kayo mag-open ng call? Sige nga. Okay lang, kahit hindi kayo tumatanggap ng tawag. Kahit kayo ang tumatawag. How do you introduce yourself to sa mga tinatawagan nyo? Sige nga. Sino? Friska. What is your role in your company?
Operations planning and control assistant.
Okay, next. Title operations planning. Okay. Sige nga. How do you open the call? May tumawag sa'yo. Sabihin na natin, did you realize that? I don't need a mic. Ha? Ako yung tipo para nakalunod ng mic kung pinanganak. Ha? There. Anyways, let's continue. Sige nga. May tumawag sa'yo from another department. Patagalabas. How do you open the call?